Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I braided my hair in order to lay this synthetic wig. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep watching.
Alright guys, so here I'm starting by taking out the braids that I had in previously. Yeah, I know they looked horrible, but I hadn't had a chance anytime this week to really re-braid my hair. Excuse me. So that's why they look like a hot mess. I think I actually hadn't braided them since Sunday. Yeah, probably. So this is almost to the day week old braids. Anyway, so just attempting to take out these braids, like I said. And when I tell you struggle is real, I had the worst time, which you're gonna see through this video, getting everything straight. It was just a mess. But anyway, so I'm trying to again take out these braids, and it was just like nothing wanted to happen. This actually took me way longer than it normally does, but I eventually reached the top, and I was like, whew, okay. See, they don't like it. Okay, too much. So then I said, let me use this easy brush, and I added that thing to the back. I'm not sure if that's where it was supposed to be added, but I did it nonetheless. But it didn't stay throughout the detangle process. But I don't think I recorded where it came off. But anyway, so I used this, and then I found that to me it still didn't look. Oh, and part of my hair was wet, so this was just like a disaster. But I was like, it's still not looking as straight as I wanted to. It's wet, so I'm going to blow dry my hair. Blow dry it straight, and I do that often because it's just easier to get the braids flat, because you want to get your braids real flat so that wig would lay properly. And I'm not the person that normally has time to do like all those elaborate braid patterns and everything like that. So 2 braids and I'm good to go. So as you can see, I am blow drying my hair straight. Now I know the hair police are probably going to tell me that I shouldn't apply heat to dirty hair, or I shouldn't apply heat to unclean hair, blah 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 blah. Well, that's the same thing, dirty hair and unclean. All right, sure, get yourself together. Anyway, here I am just straightening it out. Like I said, not really. This is how I maintain my hair. So, you can do what you would like, but if you want those super flat 2 braids, this is what you do. I'm trying to dry the back because, like I said, the back was wet, and really straighten out or get it to where at least I can then use a soft bristle brush to get it. And then I'm just going to show you that yes, I do do the back as well. And yeah. Like, again, I don't know, normally it doesn't take this long. I don't know what was going on with everything yesterday, but it just didn't want to straighten out. I shouldn't say yesterday, but I don't know what was going on here. Just I'm saying yesterday for. All right, so finally straighten, pull that brush through, and then I'm gonna use a soft bristle brush eventually. Oh, maybe, sort of. I think. I'm pretty sure. Yes, there we go. Yay. So soft bristle brush. Then I'm going to part it and apply some hair oil to it, because I did scratch a bit in when I was taking it out. So I was like, yeah, let me add some oil. And I usually apply some oil, even if it's just down the part, and then massage it in. I try to do it every single time I re-braid my hair. And then I couldn't even get a part straight. I was like, okay, you gotta be kidding me. But then I said, all right, whatever. And yeah, so after I struggle with the part, Miriam Hampton's hair oil, I'm applying that. like I said, I'm just going to do it down the part and just massage to kind of pull it through my hair. And then I'm going to, can't forget your edges. So I'm going to just, I'm brushing down first. Then I'm going to brush back so that I can put some of the hair oil on my edges. And I know that side that I just showed you, that one is really picking up because I did have the crochet braids in a lot, and I feel like in all it's kind of growing back, but of course it's growing back slowly. So for whatever reason, I decided I wanted to put it in a ponytail, but then I was like, wait a minute, I'm braiding this down. Let me do that. Let me braid it down. All right, so here I am taking out the ponytail and putting it apart. And finally, the fun begins because, like I said, so now I part in two, and this part wasn't as bad as the first attempt at a part. Then I'm going to try to brush. Oh yeah, I'm brushing so I can put one side up. All right. Okay. So now you want to make sure that you kind of make your hair as flat as possible, and I do that by taking a soft bristle brush and brushing it downward, and then also I'm kind of like just bunching it together and brushing down, because again, you want to make it sure that it's as close to your scalp as possible. All right, so I'm going to move in a little bit closer so you guys can kind of see. I think I braid under. Yeah, that first one attempt was a disaster, so I took it out, and I am just cornrowing downward and trying to get it as close to the scalp as possible. I'm avoiding my edges because I don't want the tension on the sides. And then you're going to see me smooth the middle and bring in as I kind of braid. See right there, like really like quick flicks, because it's a very fast process, and of course since it's sped up, that's why you can't really see, but I am flattening and pressing and flattening and pressing. And yeah, I just keep braiding until I get to the end, to the end, yeah. And then just bring it outward so that way I can braid the other side so it doesn't get tangled. I think that's the reason why I do that. All right. So second side, same process, flatten out, make sure that hair is flat. This side to me is a little bit thicker. Maybe I just, the part is not even. But anyway. So, and then since I do have cartilage and upward piece piercings, like I try to make sure to avoid my ear, but for the purpose of this video, I did move a lot closer than I normally would. Oh, but I'm still far, but normally I would put that part where that twisted a little bit further out. Further in towards the part, just to avoid my piercings. But anyway, there we go. The braid is just about finished. Almost, maybe, sort of, kind of. Yeah, and that side, it looks like it's tight, but it's really not. Okay. Boom, brush, the edges. All right. So now here is the wig that I'm using, and I'm going to put it in the description box down below. But I showed you that I already had applied some concealer to the part. And then I used just a regular wig cap. And excuse me, I had put my fingers through them, so you're going to see a couple of holes in it. But I bring the braids upward and just so that they can lay kind of flat. And then here's my little wig grip that I got from Amazon, and I just put that on as well. And I'm gonna just straighten out the wig. And I know some people put theirs on from the back, come forward, but I always put mine on to the front. I don't know why. I feel like it's easier. So I'm just making sure that it's all the hair is through. Maybe that's why you put it on the other way. And then I'm gonna get some Got2b Ultra Glue styling gel and kind of put it on that side that is gonna flare away. I'm just gonna try to use some like the hair dryer on the cool setting. It's stuck, but it didn't stick for long, and I guess it's because of right here where I'm trying to straighten out the wig, and the tension just pulled the got to be off. So later on, you're gonna see me use the got to be spray, sorry, and just put it on that side. But I wanted this wig to be straight, because when you see the how it originally looked, you're gonna be like, wow, that's the same wig. But yes, it is. But I think I've had it since December, and I've cut it and straightened it out considerably. All right, so I decided to use that detangler brush to get it, because I don't know, it was not working for me. The hair dryer was not working for me, and here I am. I'm seeing that side still flying away. I'm like, okay, let me just use the got to be spray on and stick and go from there. All right, so now I'm just gonna make sure the part is nice and through. Everything is on the side it's supposed to be, and I'm also gonna kind of pluck something, pull out something, because it was this piece here that just wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. So I'm gonna end up pulling a little bit out just to make that part super straight. Yeah, there we go, by here. Okay. Now this is the finished look.
All right, guys, so you made it to the end. What did you guys think? How do you I just keep saying to myself, what lace? What? That looks like scalp, baby. That looks like scalp. So if you found this video helpful and enjoyable, go ahead and hit the like button, comment, tell me what and if you would have done differently, if anything. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Shout out to my babies, Mary, Martha, my little prince, and everybody, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe to the channel, see what's going on. And until my next one, bye guys.